Right, so we're going to move back on to refitting the bumper. Now this is exactly the same as you did in reverse. So we'll slot it on at the front and then push the side pieces in either side at the bottom, and then we'll bolt it back up again. Again, it's easier with two people, but I'll be doing it on my own again as I do not have any help today. So now don't forget, I've disconnected the squirters for the headlights, so I'll have to put that on first before fitting the bumper. And that is a case if you've got this little U-clip, so you just push the two pipes together and you push the U-clip over the thing and it'll hold it on. Pretty much the same as you took it off. And then you're ready to go. So just gently do it. You don't want to scratch the car. You can help it. Try and get it centralised. Try and keep it level as well if you can, it makes it easier. So what I'll quickly do is dismount you and show you something, because it's happened to me a couple of times. So in here, wait for it to adjust, there's your headlight washer, and there's a piece of, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a piece of ducting and shrouding here and here, and this piece tends to get pushed either up or down, and obviously it will block the cold air that goes into your side mounted intercoolers, which obviously is something you don't want to do. So you just have to, it's easier to pop the trim off and just make sure that it goes down this guided slot that it has here, rather than actually getting blocked, because when I first got this car, this was actually pushed up like that, blocking all the air going into the side mount intercooler, which was not good. So obviously once you've done that, mine's just fall back on again, but you want to keep your eye here and you watch the two hot bolts go into the holes. Again on both sides. So this one's out a little bit, but you can see there you go. Wait for it to, there you go, see the bolt, and you can see where it goes into the hole, and then that will just push in, and then you can just give it a little tap, and then that pushes back in nice and snug, and then you're ready to start doing up again. I always do the top ones loosely first, just because then it's unlikely to fall off if you start pushing it forwards. So I'll just quickly run around them, and then I'll give you a quick run through of where they were again, just as a refresh. So we'll just quickly run through fixings on the front bumper. So you've got 6 Torx at the top. You've got 1 Torx or bolt here, which holds the bumper on, and then you have 2, wait for the light to adjust, there's 2 fixings up there inside the bumper at the back, which is 2 10mm, and then you've got your arch liner, which is multiple Torx bits, and then you're ready to go. There's 2 underneath here, 2 underneath here, and then the rest are dotted around the arch. There's a couple up here, but just take your time. It's nice and straightforward, and then there you go. And then it's done, guys. So we've fitted the bumper back onto the car, all bolted back up again, fitted the new V6 or facelift front grille 3-bar, and the Cupra R splitter, and I am chuffed. I think it looks brilliant. It really sort of makes the front of the car. Let me just, I'll go further away so you can have a good look at it. I mean, yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Really chuffed. I mean, I've been out here probably 2 hours, and that includes obviously making the video, fitting the splitter, fitting the grille, taking the bumper on and off. So yeah, good morning. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. If you want to see any videos of anything else, or you'd like to comment on ways you've done it to help others, then that's great. We're all in it together. But yeah, so that's the front mods done for now. There you go. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. It's another video from the Parrot Bros.